product of the month. So this is lemon eucalyptus, and I'm going to open it up so we can smell this. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today I'm going to do the doTERRA LRP unboxing for February. Let's get right into it. This is like a frequent flyer program with regards to the doTERRA Loyalty Rewards Program or the Hotel Rewards Program, where the more you buy, the more you can get in free product credits that you can redeem for free products. And I will show what free products I got in the link in the description area below. But as you can see, Paper Plus is the sustainable packaging that comes with this to help secure the items. We'll put that off to the side. Take some more out. There we go. Okay, so we'll start off with one of my favorites that I do notice a difference when I don't take them, and it's the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is the vegan version. This is pretty much the three amigos in my life that I love. So Alpha CRS Plus, no caffeine, no sugar, and is a natural way to support your cellular health. And you can see the ingredients here slowly being scrolled here. There you go. So it helps you on a cellular level with a cellular longevity blend, a cellular energy blend, as well as the doTERRA Tummy Tamer blend, which supports your digestion. So very important. And the first step of the Lifelong Vitality Pack. I'll put that off to the side. Next, we have the VE Omega. So this is omegas 3, 6, and 9 to support brain, joint, and muscle health. And you can see the ingredients here. You have the vitamins, you have the vegetarian omega blend, as well as the carotenoid blend, and then the CPTG essential oils. So if you couldn't see that, there you go. And there's 9 essential oils in here to help you on a cellular level as well. And these supplements are going to help fill in the gap from what the standard American diet does not provide. And even if you think you eat healthy, it's important to supplement to make sure we fill in any gaps. And there are always gaps because our soils are so depleted from the industrialized agricultural industry, processed foods, cooked foods, and so that's why these are very important. So lastly of the three amigos is the Microplex VMZ, and these are vitamins and minerals that are more easily absorbable. And so you can see here, vitamins. Then you have you have a proprietary whole food blend, if you can see that. And then we also have the active enzyme blend, boom. And then we have the doTERRA Tummy Tamer blend. So there is definitely a focus on digestion as well as making sure your body gets what it needs from a cellular level. And it's not just what you eat that makes you who you are, it's what you absorb. And that's what these supplements focus on. Next, I'm going to go with the enzymes, which I always get. So if you eat any cooked foods, enzymes are very important. These help break down the fats, fiber, protein, carbs, sugars from cooked foods. Rule of thumb is to take 1 if your meal is 1/3 cooked, 2 if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and 3 if your meal is fully cooked, 30 minutes before you eat, to lay a bed of enzymes on your stomach so that the food lands on top and it's more easily digested. And so these are the enzymes here, as you can see. Very important. This is also missing in the standard American diet, also known as SAD, also known as SAD diet. There you go, or the SAD food lifestyle. Okay, so enzymes are very, very important, and I eat these every day. Okay. Or consume them. Next is the PB Assist Plus Probiotics, also missing in the standard American diet. And even, again, if you eat healthy, it's important to supplement here to make sure our immune system and digestive system is being supported, which is probiotics here. And so there's a prebiotic, which feeds the probiotics, and a number of beneficial microorganisms that support immune and digestive health here. So, and these are double encapsulated to make sure they get to the right place in your small intestines and don't get knocked out or taken out with your stomach acid. So, very important. All these elements are very important to consider. Next, we have the Deep Blue Rub. I got a couple of these because I'm running low. This supports your muscle and joint health to help you move quicker and easier. I usually use this on the back of my neck, my shoulders, because that's where I'm tense and hold a lot of tension, apparently, from when I get massages. That's what they tell me, and I can feel it usually. And so yeah, these are very important. And also if you're just feeling, again, tight or tense before, after a workout, long day of work, walking, running, or just in general from stress, these are very beneficial. And easy to apply because they're in the lotion format. And there's one bottle of the doTERRA Deep Blue oil, the 5 ml, in every bottle here. There we go. And then we have the sustainable packaging for the oils. So I'll just kind of get these out. Alright, so I think I got some repeats because I was running low. Okay, yeah, I needed these. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so I pretty much got one of each of the citrus oils. So you can see tangerine right here. Then I got lemon. Then I got wild orange. Then I got lime right here. So these are 4 very great oils to use for cleaning your hands, for cleaning surfaces. If you do take them internally, make sure to use glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers. And it's 1 drop per 4 ounces of these as well. These are going to be very uplifting, very mood enhancing. Love to use these all the time. You can also put these on diffuser jewelry. That's also a great way to use them. So again, cleaning surfaces, helping your body detox when you take them internally. I also use them in green smoothies, and so yeah, just in drinks too. I use them a lot with my apple cider vinegar water, reverse osmosis water, and then I reuse kombucha bottles, glass kombucha bottles. And so you may have seen that in other videos. So very beneficial way to use citrus oils. And I usually get 3 or 4 sometimes at a time because I go through them quick. I probably use 2 or maybe 3 bottles a month just because I love them. And I like a variety. So like lemon and lime in the water, or combining, wild orange and tangerine, or any combination is really good. Grapefruit is another one that I use a lot in smoothies and waters, cleaning my hands, cleaning surfaces. Next is lavender. This is very calming, soothing, can help with your skin as well. And so I use this as a part of my facial regimen in the morning and after my shower with fractionated coconut oil, in addition to actually use a number of other oils, peppermint, tea tree, and lemon. So those help to cleanse my skin and make sure that I don't get breakouts as much. So, and they definitely help a lot, actually. And the fractionated coconut oil was out of stock, so I couldn't get any, but I will try to get some for next month and go from there. But lavender is great, great, great. Love it. And then lastly is the product of the month. So this is lemon eucalyptus, and I'm going to open it up so we can smell this. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's nice. So one way I like to use the oils as a form of aromatherapy, but also kind of cleaning things a little bit. And I'll have the benefits of this oil right here, so you can see the benefits of lemon eucalyptus right there. But yeah, I like to put these in my toilet. So I'll put them kind of like the poopery, but this is the doTERRA, if you want to call it, or the lemon eucalyptus-ry. So yeah, just various oils that I like. I put it in the toilet water specifically, and when I flush it, creates some aromatherapy, cleans the toilet a little bit. Sometimes there may be some residue stuck in the toilet, so that's where, using some On Guard cleaner concentrate in the toilet water in addition to maybe essential oil. And then I have like a little spray bottle to clean the air too. So there's like a lot of ways you can use essential oils to clean the bathroom, or doTERRA products. And so this is a green and clean way to do so, to help it smell good, but also clean things too. So there you go. And then my next step with all of these is to, I call it reduce barriers to use. So that means taking out all the plastic of these, recycling anything I can, putting all the products in places where I can't help but use them. So that's the kitchen pantry, that's my bathroom, that's the living room, that's bedroom, that's putting any excess oils or extra oils in my inventory so that I have backup products, so I don't, when I run out of one, I can just kind of grab and go, and I'll have to wait for an emergency shipment or wait till next month. With the exception of the fractionated coconut oil, I am waiting on that because I really like that, and I'm using organic and raw coconut oil from Costco in the meantime. So a little more greasy, but it's okay because it's all good. Because it's still serving its purpose of moisturizing my skin and reducing the chance of irritation from the essential oils, which is what any carrier or fractionated coconut oil or coconut oil will do. And so yeah, reduce barriers to use, put the products where I can't help but use them, and then make sure that what I did to get well, I'm doing to stay well. So it's like this upward quality of life curve and then maintaining it. So that's, trying to support my physical, mental, emotional, financial, and spiritual health with essential oils. And they do so by helping me on a cellular level, by helping me with aromatherapy, being able to use specific ones that have the supplement facts on them internally with recipes, drinks, or smoothies. And then also topically, if I need extra support with something that's going on, an ouchie, boo-boo, or just tight, tense, and need some support to move quicker and easier. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description area below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.